Hello creative friends, Monica Paruta from Stamperia here for you today in order to show you some examples of Monica's canvases. I imagine you already know my drawings concerning silhouette or some fashion objects, and we only suggest the drawings on a very thin rice paper that you can use to make your canvases. So for any one of you who like having a painting made by themselves, you have the chance to use this paper and avoid the drawing. Here it is some examples. This is Dreaming Lady, and this is how I imagine to make it. This is Country Arch. This is a Spanish girl. You can also use some of our instructions that you can follow us in our videos. We made so many with these techniques, and follow my hints just to obtain what you want and personalize and customize the painting. This is dancers. You know I like dancers, classic dancers. Here, have a look of the new ones. These are the ones we imagined for this season. Latest ones, the famous Walking Away, and this is what I imagined using it. Haute couture, and their example. Tous les jours. And how we made it in different ways. You can also use some of our instructions that you can follow us in our videos. We made so many with these techniques, and follow my hints just to obtain what you want and personalize and customize the painting. Grande soirée, and the result. So, did you like my ideas? I hope you did. I really love them, and I'm really looking forward to seeing how you made them. So send us your realizations, your works. We'd like to see what you imagined with our drawings. Follow us on Facebook and also on YouTube. See you soon. Bye bye.